Ever wondered what goes into making that perfect dairy milk chocolate bar we all know and love? From its creamy texture to that unique rich taste, dairy milk is more than just chocolate. It's a legacy. Today, we'll unwrap the story of dairy milk from its humble beginnings to the cutting-edge chocolate-making process Cadbury uses today. Let's find out if the magic behind dairy milk is really worth every bite. Before we explore the intricate process of making dairy milk, let's take a moment to appreciate its rich history. The story begins in 1824 when John Cadbury, a tea and coffee merchant, opened a small shop in Birmingham, England. Cadbury initially sold a variety of goods, including cocoa and drinking chocolate, but it wasn't long before he realized the potential of chocolate as a standalone product. Cadbury's early years were marked by a commitment to quality and social responsibility. As a Quaker, John Cadbury believed in fair labor practices, and he treated his employees well. This philosophy laid the groundwork for the Cadbury brand we know today. By the mid-19th century, Cadbury had expanded its operations and was producing its own chocolate. In 1897, Cadbury introduced dairy milk, which featured a unique recipe combining cocoa with a significant portion of milk. This was a revolutionary move in the chocolate-making industry, as most chocolates at the time contained little to no milk. The addition of milk not only created a creamier, smoother chocolate, but also appealed to a broader audience, making it an instant hit. The dairy milk bar, as we know it today, was launched in 1905 and quickly became a favorite among consumers. Its success was fueled by effective marketing strategies, including eye-catching packaging and memorable slogans. The iconic purple wrapper became synonymous with dairy milk, helping it stand out on store shelves. As the years went by, Cadbury continued to innovate, introducing various flavors and seasonal offerings while staying true to its original formula. Today, dairy milk is produced in multiple countries and is one of the most recognized chocolate brands globally. With its rich history and commitment to quality, dairy milk has become a beloved treat for chocolate lovers of all ages. At the core of dairy milk's creamy goodness is, of course, milk. Cadbury sources its milk from local dairy farms, ensuring that only the freshest, highest quality milk is used. The dairy farms typically follow strict quality standards to produce milk that meets Cadbury's requirements. The journey of the milk begins on the farm. Cadbury works with farmers who adhere to sustainable and ethical practices. These farms provide the best environment for dairy cows, ensuring they are well-fed and treated humanely. Cadbury's commitment to sourcing local milk not only supports local economies, but also minimizes the carbon footprint associated with transporting ingredients over long distances. Milk collection is a daily routine for these farmers. The milk is collected in large tanks and transported to processing facilities, where it undergoes rigorous testing for quality and safety. This includes checking for bacteria, antibiotic residues, and overall freshness. Only the best milk makes its way into dairy milk chocolate. Once the milk passes inspection, it is pasteurized to eliminate harmful bacteria. Pasteurization is a crucial step in ensuring the safety of the milk and its suitability for consumption. The milk is heated to a specific temperature for a set period, killing any harmful microorganisms while preserving its flavor and nutritional value. After pasteurization, the milk is cooled and transported to Cadbury's factories, where it will be blended with other key ingredients to create the iconic dairy milk chocolate. This meticulous sourcing process guarantees that every dairy milk bar maintains the high quality that consumers expect. Once the fresh milk arrives at the factory, the magic of chocolate making begins. The first step is blending the milk with other essential ingredients: cocoa solids, sugar, and cocoa butter. This blend is crucial for achieving the perfect balance of creaminess and flavor that dairy milk is known for. The cocoa beans used in dairy milk are sourced from various regions around the world, with West Africa being a primary supplier. Cadbury emphasizes sustainable sourcing practices, working with farmers who follow ethical practices. They also invest in programs that support cocoa farming communities, ensuring fair wages and improved living conditions for farmers. The first stage of processing the cocoa beans involves roasting them to develop their rich flavor. The roasting process is carefully monitored to achieve the ideal flavor profile, as over-roasting can lead to a bitter taste. After roasting, The beans are cracked open, and the nibs are separated from the shells. The nibs are then ground into a fine paste known as chocolate liquor, which is a critical component of the chocolate-making process. Next, the chocolate liquor is blended with sugar and milk powder in precise proportions. This combination is what gives dairy milk its distinctive taste and creamy texture. Cadbury employs advanced mixing and refining techniques to ensure that every batch of chocolate maintains the same silky texture and rich flavor. The mixture is then conched, a process that involves heating and continuously mixing the chocolate for several hours. This step is essential for developing the chocolate's flavor and texture, making it smooth and velvety. Conching is where the science of chocolate really comes into play. During this process, the chocolate mixture is aerated, which helps to release volatile acids that can contribute to bitterness. This careful balance of time and temperature allows the chocolate to develop its full flavor potential, resulting in the luxurious taste that dairy milk is known for. After conching, the chocolate is tempered. Tempering is a crucial step that involves carefully cooling and reheating the chocolate to stabilize its structure. This process ensures that the finished dairy milk bars have a glossy appearance and a satisfying snap when broken. Properly tempered chocolate also improves the texture and mouthfeel, making each bite a delightful experience. Once the chocolate is tempered, it is ready to be poured into molds. Cadbury uses custom-designed molds that give dairy milk its recognizable shape and size. The liquid chocolate is poured into the molds, and any air bubbles are removed to ensure a perfect finish. The molding process is highly automated to ensure consistency across every batch. Once the molds are filled, they are cooled to allow the chocolate to solidify. This cooling process can take several hours, depending on the factory's production speed. The careful control of temperature during cooling is vital for ensuring that the chocolate sets properly and retains its quality. After the chocolate has set, the bars are removed from the molds, revealing the familiar dairy milk shape. Quality control is crucial at this stage. Each bar is inspected to ensure it meets Cadbury's high standards. Any bars that don't pass inspection are recycled back into the production process, ensuring minimal waste. But the process doesn't stop there. Cadbury understands that presentation matters. Once the bars are molded and inspected, they are sent to the wrapping station. The packaging is designed not only to be visually appealing, but also to preserve the freshness of the chocolate. After shaping, the dairy milk bars are ready for wrapping. Cadbury uses specialized machines that wrap each bar individually, ensuring that they stay fresh and protected during transport. The iconic purple packaging is designed to be eye-catching and memorable, helping dairy milk stand out on store shelves. The wrapping process is automated, allowing for high-speed production while maintaining quality standards. Each bar is wrapped in layers that provide protection from light and air, which can degrade the chocolate over time. This careful attention to packaging helps to ensure that consumers enjoy dairy milk at its best. Once wrapped, the bars are boxed and prepared for distribution. Cadbury's logistics team ensures that the chocolates are delivered to retailers and consumers quickly, maintaining their freshness. The company operates an extensive distribution network that spans across multiple countries, ensuring that dairy milk is readily available to chocolate lovers everywhere. While dairy milk is loved for its classic taste, the brand has also embraced innovation by introducing a variety of flavors and limited edition offerings. From caramel to fruit and nut, each variation is crafted with the same care and quality that goes into the original recipe. Flavoring agents and inclusions are carefully selected to complement the creamy chocolate, ensuring that each bite delivers a delightful experience. For example, the addition of caramel introduces a rich, buttery flavor that perfectly balances the sweetness of the chocolate, while nut inclusions add a satisfying crunch. Cadbury also pays attention to seasonal offerings, creating special flavors for holidays and events. This approach not only keeps the brand fresh and exciting, but also allows consumers to enjoy new taste experiences throughout the year. The success of these limited edition flavors speaks to the brand's ability to innovate while staying true to its roots. In addition to flavor variety, Cadbury is committed to sustainability in its sourcing practices. The brand works to ensure that all ingredients, including cocoa and sugar, are sourced responsibly. This includes supporting fair trade initiatives and investing in community development projects that help improve the livelihoods of farmers. Dairy Milk's success has had a significant impact on the chocolate industry as a whole. As one of the first brands to popularize milk chocolate, Cadbury paved the way for other companies to explore and innovate within the chocolate market. The introduction of dairy milk not only set new standards for quality, but also influenced consumer preferences, leading to a broader acceptance of milk chocolate as a mainstream choice. Moreover, Cadbury's marketing strategies have played a crucial role in shaping how chocolate is marketed today. The brand has mastered the art of storytelling, using nostalgia and emotional connections to build brand loyalty. Cadbury's advertisements often evoke feelings of joy and comfort, associating dairy milk with special moments and celebrations. In recent years, the brand has embraced digital marketing and social media, allowing it to connect with younger audiences in new and engaging ways. Campaigns that encourage user-generated content and interactive experiences have helped dairy milk maintain its relevance in a competitive market. So, the next time you unwrap a dairy milk bar, remember that there's a lot of love and science that goes into every bite. From the carefully sourced milk and premium ingredients to the meticulous manufacturing process and innovative flavors, dairy milk truly represents the art of chocolate making. Now that you know the delicious secrets behind dairy milk, what's your favorite way to enjoy it? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty breakdowns. See you next time.